In this video, I'm going to show you the best tool that can help you make money fast on any charts. But before you start using it, you need to learn some rules. And if you stick with me for a few minutes, you'll get them. So go to the TradingView website and in the indicator section, grab the volume supported linear regression trend tool for your chart. But hold on, don't trade with its signals just yet. We need to add another tool to the mix. But before we do that, let's go to the settings of the volume supported linear regression trend indicator and tweak them one by one like I do. Alright guys, now you might be wondering how to trade with this indicator by itself. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to follow two steps. To buy, first look for the indicator's histogram to turn green from red. But don't rush into the trade yet. You also need to see the signal line turns green from red. Boom. That's your entry signal right there. You can buy with the candle that matches this color change. To sell, it's the same thing. First, you need to wait for the histogram to turn red from green first. Then, when the signal lines turns red from green, you're good to go. You can sell with the candle that confirms this signal. Now, if you want to boost your strategy's win rate, you need to add the best trend detecting indicator from TradingView. To get it, go to the indicator section and look for market bias. Put this indicator on your chart. But hold up, don't forget to go to its settings and tweak them like I do. Now here's the deal, you just need to check that the price is above the green band of the market bias indicator to confirm a bull market. Likewise, if the price is below the red band, you can spot a bear market. This method makes the trading with the trend a breeze. So if you want to buy, you should wait for a VSLRT indicator's green signal. And then make sure it matches with the market's uptrend, showing a chance for a long position. If both these conditions are true, it's a solid signal to buy. And to set your stop loss, you can use the recent swing low point. And for profit taking part, a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2 is suggested. Now for a short trade, the process is a little different. You need to be calm and watchful for the VSL-RT indicator. To confirm the signal, make sure it matches with the market's downtrend, meaning the price is dropping and is below the red band of the market bias indicator. If both these conditions are true, it's a solid signal to sell. And for setting your stop loss, you can use the recent swing high point. For the profit taking part, you might want to aim for a risk reward ratio of 1 to 2, which helps you keep a good balance between risk and potential reward in your short trades. Now let's see how this method rocks in our backtest. Check this out. We did 100 trades on the gold chart using a 15-minute time frame. Out of those 100 trades, this method blew us away with a solid win rate of 69%. In 10 weeks, our profit soared to a whopping 121%. And what's even cooler is that we had a sweet streak of 3 wins in a row against 2 losses in a row. But guys, I've found a method that can help anyone make money in trading. I've broken it down for you in this video, so don't skip it. If you want to level up your trading skills and get consistent profits, this video is for you.